channel. It's your girl sonyaelledee. Hi, I hope you're all doing well. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a kind of smoky, sexy, foxy eye look today. I'm going to be doing it with all affordable products. I'm going to try and make it as much drugstore as possible. My main thing for today is using products that I've already got. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I am not shopping at the moment. I'm not buying new palettes or anything, and I'm really actually enjoying using my old stuff. As long as you got a palette with 2 or 3 browns and a black, you're good. You don't really need to go out and buy anything for this. So I have prepped one eye off camera, but I just wanted to show you how I did that because you want to lift the ends of your eyebrow. I'm not doing eyeshadow over the whole eye. I don't need a light base all over. So C12, which is a little bit darker than what I normally use, which is C11, is perfect for this. So just carving my brows out as normal, what you want to do is go straight across. Normally I would arch my brow so it goes down, but now literally straight across. Very 80s Studio 54. You want it to look like you've got tapes on. So for today I'm going to be using the Forever Flawless. Why is that hard to say? That's a tongue twister for some strange reason, but yeah, I'm going to be using the Forever Flaw. what it says on the screen. As always, I'm going to prime the rest of my lid. I'm going to just use the concealer to do that. Using some tape. Ooh. You just want to almost follow the line of your lower lash line as it's curving up, but not all the way. Make sure there's still a little bit of space. So I'm going to first start off with the color Burn. My Morphe M506 in there, and starting right here, right in the middle, well, end of your eye, but middle where all of this intersects. Press her on and start to flick it up and away. It's very easy to do because you don't really have to worry about being too perfect at the bottom because the tape is there. Da, 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 da. And do take that as far up as you fancy. I'm gonna go all in into the shade Flame, and I'm just gonna overlap everything I've just done on the ends. Next up, I'm gonna take the black. So this is where the magic starts to happen. I'm just gonna start to press that. It's almost like create a wing liner, but with eyeshadow. Really doesn't need to be perfect at all. So I'm just gonna go back into a little bit of Burn and use that to diffuse the edge of this. Not taking that too high up as I don't want to cover up any of Flame. I'm just going over everything that I've just done just to make sure that is all diffused out. Using a little bit of your bronzer, or you can just use a brown eyeshadow. Because I've got quite puffy eyelids, I'm not really comfortable just leaving them as is. I still feel like I need to create some depth, so I'm just going to use this to kind of shape out a hollowness here, just a little bit. Just want to create the illusion of some depth. So using any liquid liner, gel liner probably would be better, but I don't have any hair at the moment, but I'm just going to use a liquid liner. When you get to the inside of your eye, you just want to extend that line past your tear duct a little bit, and that really helps with the. So use the side of the tape to really help you create a little baby wing, nothing too drastic, because what we're going to do next is go over it with a little bit of the black eyeshadow so it all fades into each other seamlessly. And now the fun bit, pulling off the tape, you should have a very perfect line. Looks very strange without lashes, foundation, concealer, all the rest of it. As I always say, don't worry, let the whole thing come together as you go. One of my favorite mascaras at the moment, Essence again. So I have these super cheap lashes from AliExpress, but what I'm going to do is cut them in half, and you want to apply them on your eyes, but you want to lift the end of it so it's not in your traditional way where it's sitting on your lash line at the very end. You just want to almost push it up, and this is going to help to elongate and foxify your eye. And if you have any shine left over from the glue, just go over it with a little bit of black eyeshadow. I know I do. There, so that's the eyes pretty much done. I'm just going to do my skin and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of the look. Mid-process fruit baking, but it's alright. Just want to take a brown pencil, go parallel to our inner eye here. Don't feel the need to do one line, literally. I am sketching across, dabbing, and letting that color build up as I go. Should have something like this. You can do that with black as well. I quite like the way it looks with a brown pencil because it's a lot more softer. Taking a small brush, I'm just using the Morphe M515 into burn or your medium brown shade, whichever it was that you use, and I'm just going to run over what I've just done there. Because pencils are a little bit more waxier, your eyeshadow is going to stick to it nicely. Just gone back in with a little bit of concealer to neaten up that line a bit, just make everything a little bit more sharper on the inner eye. So lips are on. I've used Revolution Pro Cashmere and Plush. Again, it's the new nudes. I'm thinking I might put some gloss on top of this. I don't know. What do you guys think? I prefer it with the gloss on top. This is just Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish, and these are super duper shiny. This is how it looks. Do let me know which one you prefer. Back to the video. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave it matte. now the hair's down. Yeah, I quite like it matte. So there you have it. Finished look. Kind of easy. I think easy. Let me know if you think this is easy. I think this is easy. Also, contact lenses. You may have noticed my eyes are a little bit different. These are from TTD Eye, so the details for them will be down below. And my cat is clawing up the tree. Shabba, why are you doing that? Wait. Sorry, you can probably see his tail there in the background, but yeah, he's just being a bit of a... But yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do let me know if you've got any requests below. Remember, stay safe, stay indoors, get creative, have some fun right now. I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.